When it comes to solutions to today's healthcare workforce crisis, we believe that organizations need to be focusing both on the near-term elements to alleviate some of the immediate pressures, as well as those long-term elements that will create a sustainable and resilient workforce. It is more important than ever to attract, engage, and retain talent. As environmental pressures and alternative options for staff remain high, it's essential to actively tap into the hearts and minds of team members, building and reinforcing a commitment to the organization through not only economic tactics, but also powerful non-economic motivations. In some cases, this requires new investments, but smart investments will pay off by reducing turnover and use of expensive agency resources. Capturing the hearts and minds of team members most immediately occurs at the local level. Leadership development is focused on equipping frontline leaders with the skills to create a positive environment and stable environment that is supportive, engaging, and productive. These include concrete skills such as managing productivity, but equally important are the softer skills to help team members feel valued and aligned with the broader organization. Staffing Solutions ensures that organizations have the right people in the right numbers at the right place and at the right time. Managers need tools and mechanisms to effectively manage the variation by day, by shift, as well as to better align resources with future projected demand. The goal is to create a predictable workload for team members, to be a good steward of resources, and to provide a good environment for team members. Critical to the optimal deployment of staff and creating that positive day-to-day experience for colleagues is high-performing clinical and operational workflows. Organizations want to look for all opportunities to streamline processes, leverage technologies, and align roles to enable team members to work efficiently and at their highest and best use. Governance and accountability ensures that organizations have the mechanisms in place to hold individuals accountable for all of the above and to create the mitigation plans when we're not meeting our goals. And finally, performance tools support the proactive management of operations and are foundational to a successful workforce program. These tools may include technology, data, and analytics to support a real-time understanding and a management of performance against all targets around scheduling, retention, recruitment, and to be able to redeploy staff to areas of greatest need. Underlying all of these competencies is a deep understanding of what is required to make change happen within the organization. In our experience, workforce changes are only executed and sustained when they are connected to the goals and mission of the organization. To do that, you need to engage your leadership team in creating a compelling case for change and aligning around the future vision and requirements for success. You need to demonstrate active listening as a model for your leadership team as they engage with their colleagues and staff in the change process. Empower your team to lead the change and engage them in the co-creation of the future state so that they understand what is required for successful implementation of change. And track data and share the impact. Implement the channels to collect success stories and celebrate milestones, learn from failures, and continue to coach those impacted by change. A holistic approach to workforce management can equip your organization to maintain a healthy workforce today and tomorrow.